Manalapan box 2680, 13 Regency Way, across Queen Court, structure fire. Manalapan box 2680, 13 Regency Way, across Queen Court, structure fire, 1607.
South 26266 responding.
26266 received.
County 3290, 96 responding.
3290, 96 received. 26266, caller on locations reporting active fire, 2 dogs and trap side burning.
66 received.
Per police, fire is visible from Thompson Grove.
Beat dispatch. Hit on my second alarm.
2113 Regency Way, Excalibur Drive to Queen Court, structure fire. 2621, 13 Regency Way, Excalibur Drive to Queen Court, structure fire.
South 16167, sir.
16167, confirmed structure fire, animal entrapment, unknown on people.
South 3296 in service.
96 1611. Per PD on scene, house is fully involved.
Station 261, station 16-1, 13 Regency Way, across Queen Court, structure fire. Station 261, station 16-1, the second alarm, 13 Regency Way, across Queen Court, structure fire, 16 ton.
26266, is that a hydrated area or are you going to need tankers? 26266.
66.
Your second alarm has the tanker task force. Do you want us to hold off on that if it's hydrated?
Hold off on that for right now.
Briefing. South 26332 responding.
26266.
6266.
Private on location. Having fully involved to an ancillary residential, I'll have Regency command. Heavy fire showing from the A, B, and C corners.
They're received. 2.5-story fully involved A, B, and C, fire showing.
26278 in service, 69 on board.
278 and 69, 1650.
266. They have the utilities notified multiple explosions.
Affirm. Utilities are being notified and have been notified.
South 20364, Center State.
Station 15-1 for the cover, 26-2. Station 15-1 requested for the cover, 26-2. 16-59.
26266, 3290. You need to heads up. We're about 2 minutes out. I got no comms from you. Pete, I heard that 2 minutes out was the last message. 266.
6 good.
Alright, start me tanker task force. And fire marshals respond out also. I get some to separate recall. Now from squad 57.
Squad 57.
We're in service 12 Regency.
Squad 57 received. 26266. Fire marshals already en route. Let's start tankers now.
266 and 278. 6190 in service. Regency.
6190 received.
78. Macabre, Thompson Grove now. What's your pleasure? Pull in. Make a right. Just have a patrol car stop toward the house. Just gonna build up for the ladder. It ain't gonna do much. Alright, Regency.
County Tanker Task Force requested in Manalapan 13 Regency Way between Excalibur Drive and Queen Court, structure fire. Monmouth County Tanker Task Force requested in Manalapan 13 Regency Way between Excalibur Drive and Queen Court, working structure fire, 1618.
1521, 689 West Main Street, The Manor, room 218, hypertensive subject. Squad 1521, 689 West Main Street, The Manor, room 218, hypertensive subject, CMH.
South 3266 in service.
3266
South road B10.
B10.
I'm making my way out to the fire, or there's a rush involved.
B10, you're en route, 1619.
County 1274 will be arriving. 26266. What would you like us to do?
8 on 3. When you pull up, just past the first seat, ambulance on your right, off on the grass. We're wait for them to get water.
South 1567.
Manalapan, South good.
We're off on further alerts. Engine will be in service momentarily.
The receive, which station was that?
Station 15.
The receive.
South 6190 on location.
6190 receive.
26332 on scene.
South 16185. will be in service for Manalapan.
Regency 26266 South. Do you have a refill site?
266 to South. This will be 537 and Thompson Grove Road.
Regency 537 Thompson Grove, and notification from PD, you have already had a collapse on the Charlie side of the building.
Receive, I was just going to give you an update. I was advised by Op.
South spot, you can show 268, 285, 19 in service.
Last show on South, got him. Last show calling service on South?
South 19285 and 268 will be in service.
Receive 192 units in service, 1623.
South 3296, be arriving.
96, receive 6024.
South 1566, 1575, en route to 26 cover.
156675, receive.
10's on location.
South response 19275.
19275.
Be advised, 19275 is responded to Manalapan. Also 19296 is out of service. 19196 will be responding.
Receive 296 out of service, 196 will be responding. Receive, thank you.
Man 3296, receiving.
South from Regency Command.
Regency Command, command.
South from Regency Command.
Regency Command, got him, Lance.
Aerial setting up. 1390 will be in operation. 1396 with nurse anchor. It is fully involved. We're going to do exterior operation only.
Hey, Civilian setting off. Fully involved. Exterior operation at the time. 16
P10 on location. We have lots of spot fires on front lawns. He's going to be handling that for us.
JCB 10 on location, handling the brush fires.
South 3266, arriving.
Dead. South response. Site 2166 is responding 13 Regency.